Hello, today for my TUSC I'm going to prepare homemade giant mozzarella sticks. Here are the ingredients. Bread, cheese sticks, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Step 1. Frying the bread. If you don't have a rolling pin, be creative and use a tumbler. Step 2. Place the mozzarella sticks on the bread, then slowly roll the bread. Next, crack the eggs and put them in a container. I'm a pro, don't worry. Now you have to beat the eggs. Now you have to prepare the breadcrumbs. Then prepare the oil. With the help of your parents, dip the mozzarella stick onto the egg and coat it with breadcrumbs. Fry the mozzarella stick until golden brown.